deaths each year. The illegal use of drones will be tackled by a specialist police unit under new government plans. It's been set up to avoid a repeat of disturbances seen at Gatwick Airport last winter, when around 1,000 flights were either delayed or cancelled following sightings of rogue drones. Andy Moore has more.
The technology now exists to bring down a drone electronically in a matter of seconds. The Security Minister, Brandon Lewis, saw for himself how it can be done in a lab.
That is quick, isn't it? Yeah.
Now the hardware is being exported to the real world, with mobile units that can detect and bring down rogue drones.
In essence, what we're looking to do is make sure that where drones can be used for malicious or inappropriate circumstances, that our agencies, our police forces have the tools and the ability to stop that and prevent that.
Last December, drone sightings over Gatwick Airport caused chaos for several days. The flights of hundreds of thousands of people were cancelled. At Heathrow, in a separate incident, flights were briefly disrupted earlier this year. Nobody has ever been arrested. Drones are also used to deliver drugs and mobile phones to prisons.
It would be used on major infrastructure sites. So it could be airports. We're working with the Ministry of Justice, looking at prisons, talking to Ministry of Defence about various sites that we could use it around there. So around critical national infrastructure sites of importance.
Drones have many positive applications. Here, a device equipped with an infrared camera is being used in an exercise by firefighters to detect heat sources. The government wants to make sure this kind of technology is used for the general good, not for malicious purposes. Andy Moore, BBC News.
Each year, many of